Kapro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools. Kapro's 905 Condor is a professional box level that includes two of the most revolutionary and innovative features in level design today. First, Kapro's patented OPTIVISION Red vial. The OPTIVISION Red vial creates a strong color definition around the spirit level's horizontal bubble. This makes the bubble's edges up to 8 times easier to see than conventional vials, and has gradient lines up to 2% marked inside the vial, so they'll never scratch or move. The 905 has a reinforced profile, with a bridge at the horizontal vial for superior strength and a continuous marking edge. Along the bottom is a finely milled surface for increased accuracy, and is available with rare earth magnets built into its base for a strong grip to metal surfaces, allowing you hands-free measuring. The 905 Condor incorporates Kapro's patented plumb-sight dual-view vertical vial with red effect. Place the 905 directly against the vertical surface you need to check and look straight in the plumb-sight viewer. The direct view of the vial prevents injury from repeatedly twisting and turning your body and neck to get a clear line of sight. The bubble's red effect means it's even easier to see the outline of the edges for perfect bubble placement. Just an accurate reading that saves you time. Keep a comfortable hold on the 905 Condor with the patented Ergo Grip handle. Also, the wall grip feature allows you to set the 905 against any vertical surface without scratching or sliding. Easily hold the Condor in place with just one hand. Kapro vials are an industry leader in accuracy. In fact, our vials are the only ones on the market that carry the prestigious VPA accuracy certification of 0.005 inches per inch or 0.5 millimeters per meter, and they're guaranteed for life. So Kapro's 905 Condor's unique and innovative design, including the patented OPTIVISION Red vial, the plumb-sight dual view with red effect, reinforced profile, Ergo Grip handle with wall grip, milled surface, and of course all the highest quality traditional features, makes it one of the very best professional box levels on the market today. Be sure to see what other cutting-edge innovations Kapro has to offer at kapro.com. Another innovative solution by Kapro.